Follow me in a circle. You will get hit. Just gotta have a bit of patience. Fly up and over. Land. If you already have the code in, you can just hit last. Go. There you go. Got yourself a wyvern in the trap. I don't have any darts. 19 Sienna. I like the bird cages because they catch like that. Just gotta watch your surroundings, make sure another wyvern doesn't land on you. It does happen here on the Lost. This is a very violent cave. My wife likes the ice because it's easier, a bit more mellow, and the wyvern there won't kill you in one shot. They'll just slow you down. These lightnings are very deadly because they torp you as soon as you get hit. Just 15, so really easy to knock. Run up, grab your milk out of it. Got a sword or something? See, it's out the hole right now. It's just like throw that in my wyvern. So my wyvern has salt in it. Right open, last spore, it opens. And that's how I do it. Easy milk. Not really, it can go disastrous a bunch of different ways.